Thai EDC's everyday carry screwdriver. Big idea design. Let's see what's all about. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see. Wow, check this out. It is totally pretty small, as big as my finger, maybe a little bit thicker, but it is like a folding knife. It's not really assisted, but it is on a magnet. How do we close that though? Oh, there is a frame lock right here, and it is a magnet. Wow, yeah. So the only thing holding it is the magnet. It is a stone magnet. So the idea of it, it is like a folding knife. It flicks out this way because it's at such a good tension with the magnet right here. There's a couple magnets. Look at that. It locks in. So with that, once we apply enough pressure, it will fold out really good. And to replace one of this, all I have to do is just slide one out this way and just plug in another one and put this one away. Wow, it sits in there really well. Obviously it can go with different beads too. Also this one can come out this way and plug in here, and this one can be put away here instead. Kind of locks in this way. Super unique little folding screwdriver. It says over here titanium. Nice clip, pretty hefty, but yeah, opens like a folding knife. That I didn't expect. I folded too fast to where like a bead flew out. So watch out for that. Don't flick it out so fast. Also it can be opened with 2 fingers. I love it so much. Let me go find it bead. Well, it comes with the extra bead. That's cool. Beautiful. Here's another Toothpick everyday carry little toothpick. Wow, that is tiny, but at the same time it will be really thick. So it's perfect for keychain attachment. It is so small, look at that. It's as big as my follicle of the finger. I have big hands though. So it opens up this way. It has a rubber in, so water resistant, flips over. I really love anodized black. And there you go. There is a pick to take out little splinters, whatever. Could be used for so many different ways. It is very comfortable, long enough, and also unscrews, flips over, packs away. Beautiful. And it is lightweight because it's made out of titanium. It is very, very lightweight. I love that. Comes with a extra rubber rings. I've been seeing this brand everywhere, especially when I go yard sailing every Saturday. I see people using that lawnmower brand all the time. So if you have a lawnmower, you have these batteries. It is this big 80-volt batteries. It is big 56-volt lithium batteries. I had this for a long time. There's 2, so now I can buy like converter or like attachment, plugs in here, and now I have a battery on the go to plug in my computer and smaller devices. Okay, turn it on. It lights up green right here. There's a flashlight, it says. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So we'll put it to the test. It could be actually miniature work light. Then it recharges USB, 2 USB-C ports, and a regular 120 400 watt plug. So it will not boil water, because like boiling water, like appliances, gets to over 1200 watts. So it's for smaller devices like a computer. It will charge and things like that. I love that. Whenever it's on, it shows us how many bars we have left. Looks like 3 out of 5. And there is a fan. Whenever it's working heavily, it needs to be cooled off. Good looking little attachment plug. For example, portable winch, and this is a heavy duty winch. Let's plug it in. Oh wow, it works. So now I don't need extension cord. Every time a four-wheeler dies, I can bring these batteries and use a corded tools like this and load up my four-wheeler. Overpowered it. Okay, turn it on back, turn it back on again. Okay, still on 3. Definitely probably a bit too big of a tool for this battery, but it is definitely working. I feel like whenever we're actually going to pull it on maximum, probably will break the circuit. But nevertheless, what an amazing attachment over here. And let's see how bright it is in the dark. Well, that is cool. It's complete darkness and it emits a lot of light. Look at that. We could definitely walk over here. So it's really dark over there. Boom. It's like a big lantern. It's nice. So I can set it down, and if I need to work on a unit, it's plenty of light. Wow, that is cool. Or especially if I hang it up, there's lots of good light coming off from here. Keep it in mind, this will be up to 400 volts, like laptops and stuff. It is not a problem. 31 pieces precision screwdriver set. Let's see what it's all about. So we have right here 4 magnets holding it all together. It holds really well. I really have to apply quite a little bit of pressure. And we have like color coded. And the most important, let's look at this. Plug it into a screw and twist it with one hand really easily. Does it go up and down? I don't think so. But still, a really beautiful design. And all I have to do is just grab a screwdriver and just hold it and unscrew something, screw it back up, get a little smaller screwdriver like this, no problem. Very comfortable to work with one hand if I'm holding something and doing this. Very easy. I like how it spins, and it's really thick, so for my big hands works really well. And I love the organization of every little screw. Looks like it's more of a tabletop, not really everyday carry. Here's a really cool everyday carry pouch I was just suggested on Amazon. There's a brand, there's like a Velcro pocket. So right here could be like set up some kind of pouches, other things. It's actually loops in here. So could be looped up in other items like that. So this is what loops are for. It kind of connects, disconnect to the other modules. I forgot the exact name of this. So opens up this way. Ooh, look at that. So it can be flat, or I could just pull this and it opens like a briefcase. Maybe a bit too much. But yeah, it holds like this, like a little briefcase, and there's 1, 2, 3 compartments. For example, probably into this bigger one. Everyday carry tie bar right here. Maybe I can stick it into this one. Beautiful, and it can slide in like that, so it does not come out. And in case we need another one, and there is another zipper. Can go a whole bunch of stuff in here and zip it up. There's more the hanging parts on the backpack. We'll use this, and again, look at that detail. Have like this little rubbery plastic things. Opens up. I can use whatever, lay it this way, use whatever I need. That is so cool. In here, let's say I need a capsule, I can put that capsule in here. I could just plug it in this way too, and also I can lay it all out this way and have all my EDC things out here. Probably right here I'll put knife beads and things like that. Very cool. And again, just to show you how cool that is, boom, lift it up. Oh, there's another pouch right here. Super cool. There you go. Leia EDC briefcase, I would say.